Hi, I'm Charlie Dashner, Sales and Marketing Consultant for Sherwood Manufacturing. Today I'd like to talk to you about our patented steel toggle clamp block. The idea started back in 1988 when we were making engine saddles for the Ford 3.7 liter engine. One of our clamps broke. So what we lost is 30 minutes of production time. We had to cut it off, we had to grind the fixture down, and we had to get a new clamp and weld it back on. When the project was done, we took the fixture and put it on the shelf for future use. But when the next job came, we had to buy toggle clamps all over again. So we said, there's got to be a better way of doing this. So he says, let's make a block. Okay, so we used 3/8 inch cold rolled steel. We cut the block to the footprint of the toggle clamp. We rounded the edges. We vibrated and deburred it. We put the part number of the clamp right on it. We put a directional arrow so you know which way the clamp is to be mounted. And we also put the size of the bolts that you lock it down with. Why did we do all this? What if you weld the block to the fixture and bolt on the clamp? All right. Let's say you have a job with 2,000 parts on it. That means you're going to open and close this clamp 4,000 times. Well, we know that clamps will last for 10,000, 12,000, 15,000 repetitions. Okay. If you weld this here and you're all done with that job and this goes back on the shelf, you've lost the extra capacity of this clamp. But what if you, again, took it off and then you go to job number 2 and you move the clamp over to job number 2, and let's say that's a 3,000 part job. That means 6,000 repetitions. So you have 4,000 here, 6,000 here, that's 10,000. What if the clamp's still good? Move it over to another job. Okay, if it only lasts 1,000 repetitions, okay, unscrew it, put another one on, and keep going. Besides converting the use of blocks for all our toggle clamps, we decided to standardize on just 3 or 4 different models: a horizontal, a pusher, and a vertical. And that cut down our inventory. So now, where do these blocks fit? Here's an example of on a Destaco, on a Good Hand, on a Jergens, on a Carrlane, horizontals. But we can also make blocks for the same 4 manufacturers for their vertical clamp. We can also make blocks for the same 4 manufacturers for their push-pull clamp. And last, if you need it, we'll make the blocks in aluminum. So when you go to our website, select a block that matches the model number and brand name of the clamp that you are using. After you purchased your mounting block today, go to our next video and see how you actually install a mounting block on your fixture. Once again, my name's Charlie Dashner. Thank you for watching our video today.